Welcome to Life Home and Garden with Rica, and I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm going to harvest some salad greens and radishes in my garden. So I am very excited because this is my first harvest. All these vegetables were planted from seeds. You can check out my other video on how to plant seeds on the description below. Please join me as I harvest my organic vegetables and make some fresh salad. I hope you like this video, and if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe so that you are updated on my next video. Have a good weekend to you all, and once again, thank you so much for your support.